Did you play outside yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah? You put your socks?
In your room?
Everyone. Why you don't want to wear your tights? Huh?
Because I'm always cold with it.
Yeah, but now you're more cold because there's no cover. The legs doesn't have a color anymore. Right? Push. Good morning, people. Let's drop Mia to school. Uulan today. Uulan na naman. 8:25 soon. Malamig ngayon. You forgot your glasses, ate. That's okay.
I should think about that, but I just forgot to think about that. Because I just forgot.
You want me to drink your hot chocolate? Because it's not gonna be good later if you keep it there. Hindi niya naubos hot chocolate niya. Sabi niya, ililive lang daw niya for later.
Mommy,
Ah.
you know yesterday in school, do you know what happened to me? I keep coughing and I don't even stop.
Really? You have to drink water. Did you drink water when you cough? Uubo siya ngayon, guys. You drink water after you cough? So your throat is not dry. Because maybe it's just maybe your throat is dry, that's why. Okay. Let's go. Alright, kakadrop lang natin kay Mia. Let's go home. Tulog pa si Kai. Parang ano kayo, foggy. Hi! Come to mama! Come to mama! Dali! Come to mama! Come on! Let's go down! Come on, Kai Kai! Dali! Dali! Come to mama! Let's go down! Let's go down! Let's go down! Ah. Go to Tita Pretty! Dali! Come on! Go to Tita Pretty, go! Dali, go! Come on! Kanina nandun siya sa may pillow. Good boy! Dali, Opsie! Oh my goodness! Come on! Ay, si Pochi man. Bagong gupit yan ng aming Pochi. O, tignan niyo, o. Kalbo na naman siya. Kalbo na naman namin Pochi. Dali, come on! Yeah. You're gonna crawl very soon, boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. O, tara na, let's go down. Kakagising nga lang mga ano ba yun? Mga 1? Nagising ikaw mga 1? Oh. Hi. You wanna see yourself? Here. Ta-da! That is my Kai Kai. Who is that? Hello. Are you looking at Pochi? Oh, tara na. Let's go down na. Oh, mommy's hungry. Tuna, guys. Maya-maya. Pick up na natin si ate. Nangyari. O, dali na. Come on. Happy lang na ang Kai-Kai ko nga na. Abi! Happy lang na si Kai-Kai. Oh. Ano, malapit na talaga. O, mag-crawl na siya. Tingnan niyo naman. Oh my gosh. Binibend niya na yung knees niya to crawl. How good are you? Look. Sige. Happy-happy lang siya dyan kasi kakadede lang. Ang haba-haba ng ano mo. Bodysuit. Sige, dyan ka muna, Kai. I'm gonna make, lamangga. Oh, okay na.
Wala siyang mangga?
Yeah.
Kasi dito po. Hindi, ano?
I already,
Marami. Please, freeze pa siya gawin. Mas marami.
really, malagyan to ko na.
Dito, hindi ko pala sa fridge.
Dito ko na ka. Ah?
Dito ko pa gawin.
Ang pressure cooker? Now na?
Yeah. So,
Basi gamitin nila ka rin, hindi. Ano sa kong Friday? Ako, mama. Ako, mama first. Mama sila doon. Mama, okay, buto sila doon. Lela pressure cooker. Coles Online is ready. See, ready na akong Coles order. Nag-order ako click and collect, guys. Time to pick up Mia na. Kakaloka. Ang bilis-bilis ng oras. Where's my ano? Ano sa taas? I'm drinking my Kumiko collagen today. So, ito yung iniinom ko everyday. Pero minsan nakakalimutan ko siya. Kumiko collagen. Masarap siya, guys. In fairness dito. And then, we gotta go pick up Ate Mia. Si Kai busy-busy lang siya dyan sa mat niya. Hindi pa siya inaantok kasi an hour ago nagising siya. An hour ago ba yun? Yeah. An hour and 21 minutes. Oh no, forgot. Nakakalimutan ko ano lagi. Lagi to. Naglagay ng aking i-record ba? Nakalimutan ko. Are you okay, Kai? Change kaya 2 o'clock. Nakalimutan ko kasi tinatawagan ko yung in-organize ko yung birthday ni Mia, guys. And ngayon pa lang na-stress na ako. Dahil sa weather. What time ba si Kai nag-drink? Was it 2 o'clock? Mga 1 siguro. Ay, nako guys. Kasi yung weather, okay na sana. Outdoor kasi yung birthday ni Mia. Outdoor siya. I already planned it ahead of time. And then, I forgot about the weather. Hindi ko na-check yung weather. And then, I already sent an invitation. Tapos na, 2 days ago, nag-send ako ng invitation. And then, sabi ng kapatid ko, check the weather, baka uulan. Sabi ko, hindi pa naman nakikita yan kasi 2 weeks later pa. And then, I tried yung monthly weather forecast. Oh my gosh, guys, nakita ko, ulan man. Timing dun talaga sa time frame na kung saan kami nandun sa playground. Dun talaga uulan. Ano siya, shower that time. So, alam mo yun naman, ayoko na i-risk. Baka hindi pa mag-enjoy yung mga bata kasi uulan that time. But anyway, so I decided to do the party indoor. And now the problem is, fully booked yung date na gusto ko. Wala silang malaking room. And kasi, from outdoor to indoor, so I invited like so many. Kasi sabi ko, outdoor, there's no like limitations and everything. Oh my gosh! And now I have to transfer indoor. Sobrang dami na nang na-invite ko. I think I have like more than 24 kids. Estimate lang yun, guys. Kung darating silang lahat, siguro I have 24 kids. And like 50 plus adults. Kung darating lahat na adults. Oh my gosh. And then the venue rang me this morning and said the date that I want is hindi available. Yung date na gusto ko is before Mia's birthday. Tapos, fully booked na yon. So, yung second date na pwede naman is meron nang nakabook. Pero tentative booking pa lang siya. So, hindi pa sure. So, pag hindi siya available, I have to book the week after. So, 1 week later na siya sa birthday ni Mia, which is, I don't mind. But kasi, it's gonna be 2 weeks later. So, nilagay ko sa date doon sa invitation. Kasi nga, yung dapat is before Mia's birthday. Kasi yung during the week, sa birthday week niya, guys, meron siyang concert. And I don't want to rush myself kasi we have Kaya nga. So, hindi ko gusto yung parang nira-rush ako and everything. Anyway, I have to pick up Mia na. So, sana ma-sort out na natin. Kasi malapit na. And I have to change the venue doon sa invitation. I have to let everyone know kasi nasend na nga yung invitation the other day, 2 days ago. Anyway, I'll call Mama sa car na lang. I need to go pick up Mia, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's go. And I have to call Mama pa. Iramin natin yung pressure cooker nila. Yun pa yung gusto kong bilhin, guys. Nakasale yung Meijer. And I've been buying sa Meijer. Ang dami ko nang nabili sa Meijer, guys. Na pang pang kitchen. Pang organize. Kasi nakasale sila ng bongga yung mga pang organizers nila. And I already organized our pantry the other day. And pagod na pagod ako that time. But yeah, I'll show you guys later. Ang dami kong ginawa na hindi ko binlog. Kasi I just wanna focus on my priorities. So, pag gusto ko, ginawa ko siya, nakafocus ako, wala akong ibang ginagawa. That's why hindi ko siya na-vlog. But that's okay. Ilang araw din ako hindi nag-vlog, guys. It's been, I don't know how many days. Kaman pa yung last ko na vlog. Basta last week pa yung last vlog ko for sure. So, ang dami nang nangyari. And, I'm gonna call Mom. Call Mama. Nasa work si Mama eh. Ma, nasa work ka? Ma, hulap ko si mo pressure cooker, Ma. Gamiton mo karon. Maulam ko pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker?
Oo.
Oo, ato dito si Dalong sang lamitan. Bala si Bibi, ano yung nga.
Oo, ginatagyan na sa akin. Sige, pick up ko si Mia on the way. Makadto ko to.
Sino na luto si Bibi?
Oo, gusto niya magbulalo daw siya.
Sino na, there's one lock. Yung dito sa kwan. Ang tapos sa kwan.
Nila
Oo,
ka.
parang wait, Bibi, kamarot na akong paano magkwan.
Oo, magbulalo. Gani daw siya. Kaya gusto niya magkaon bulalo. So, ano ka lang katok ka lang to. Sige, bye. Thanks. We're going to Mamila's house to get the pressure cooker. Who's Tita Pretty will cook something.
What?
Oh, dali. You're not sitting down. Oh my gosh. I win already. I have my seatbelt on.
Hey! I mean, I'm the oldest in the class. I'm supposed to get a deal first.
You have to wait patiently to have a turn. Oh, some of your friends doesn't have a turn yet because they're waiting patiently. If you're not waiting patiently,
I'm sitting nicely.
yeah, if you're not waiting patiently, then you cannot have a turn. You have to be good, wait patiently, and that's it. Then you can have a turn very soon. Only if you're a good girl, you can have a turn. You know your birthday party is not gonna be in the playground anymore
Why?
because it's raining on that day.
Huh?
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a special day. Now it's not fair.
But mommy moved the indoor. Like the one that we played in last time in your birthday. You want that one instead?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And when I turn 4?
Yeah, when you turn 4. But it's not there. It's not in that playground. It's in the different playground. A better playground. How about that?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Daddy said that.
Oh, Daddy told you already?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be indoor now, not outdoor. Because if you go there on your birthday and it's raining, then you're gonna be all wet and your friends, right? I don't want you to be wet and get sick. So, Mommy found another place for you to have your birthday. Is that a good idea?
Is it with the cat beside here? Or with the ship?
With the ship. Not that. I told you the different place, but it looks like that. But then a different place. It's indoor. Maybe if we have time, we can go Mommy is just finalizing everything. Because on the day that we want your birthday, it's not available. So we have to move it to another day. We're just staying in the car. Mommy will just get the pressure cooker. We have what we wanted. So now,
Mommy, I said I want a yogurt and you didn't even yogurt.
punta tayo sa Costco. We don't have yogurt left. That's why I didn't put yogurt. Mommy was asking you last night so I can buy it online because I was placing an order. So now we have yogurt. When we go pick up our order, you can have yogurt if you want.
Can I have ice cream?
We still have ice cream at home.
I want to have ice cream and Coke.
We're not going inside. We're just gonna go outside to get our order. Dito na tayo. Parking, guys. Oh, diba? Perfect. We're here.
I want ice cream.
We still have ice cream at home. We have to finish that first because our freezer don't have space. So, meron silang app. Pinipress ko lang pag nandito na ako. Ayan yung green sa taas. So, nung papunta ako, I press, I'm on my way. Tapos ngayon, I press, I've arrived because I'm here, parking. Meron talaga silang, like, drive-thru car park. Which is really good. So, I think they're getting my order ready.
Hi.
Alright, ganun lang. Let's go. Let's go home. And I think I have to put Kai back to sleep na when I get home. Because 3 na, guys. So, ito yung pinamili natin. Let's bring it inside. Yes. Let's go. Hala, saan yung nappy? Saan yung size 3 ko na nappy? Bakit walang size 3? Anong nangyari? Di ba may size 3 akong in-order? Check ko nga. For sure, may size 3 ako dun. Check natin. Alright. Medyo maingay, but it's okay. Nagbabakim yung kapatid ko, guys. I'm gonna use my, mic. Perfect. Okay, let's do a haul. Si Kai natutulog siya. So, we have Pochi's food, the nappy, size 4. Kasi parang masikip yung Huggies na size 3 kay Kai. Kasi Huggies yung ginagamit niya ngayon. Yung binili ko sa Big W last time. Kasi mas mura doon. Nag-sale sila. And nag-order din ako ng size 3 actually. Pero, for some reason, wala siya dito. Siguro, ubos yung stocks nila ngayon. Kasi naka-sale to. $11 na lang siya, guys. So, mas mura siya sa Rascals. Kasi yung Rascals ngayon, naka-$15. So, ito yung binili ko. But then, walang size 3. Ubos yung size. We have egg. Ang mahal ng egg, guys. Mas mura kasi sa Asian shop. We have 2 croissant. And pag nag-order ka sa click and collect, nagbabayad ka ng Coast bag. So, napakadaming bag nito, pero $1.50 lang yung babayaran mo. We have bean sprout. Magsa-spring roll ako mamaya. We have green beans. Ang dami pala. 280 grams ba yun? Yung nilagay ko. Hindi ko alam. Tapos cherry. Sana maganda yung cherry. Yun lang. Pag ikaw yung pumipili, pag bumibili ka ng fruits, hindi mo matitingnan yung maganda. Kasi, of course, sila yung pipili for you. Hala, isang potato. Meron silang approximate, yun, ilang grams yun. Kakaloka, isa lang. We have paper towel. May soda water for the lemonada. And nakasale yung yogurt. So, may yogurt si Mia dito, guys. Nag-expect siya na may yogurt siya sa lunchbox niya kasi tinanong ko siya kagabi. Eh, para yun sa order ko. Online. We have Mia's shampoo, conditioner, body wash, dalawang Mountain Dew. We have coconut water. Palmolive, naka-sale siya, yung body wash. We have milk. We have orange, hindi orange, mango. Mango nectar. And we have two mango nectars. And wipes. Yun lang actually lahat, guys. Bumili ako ng pipad ni Pochi pero for some reason wala dito. Makaubos din. Laging nauubos yun eh.
Check mo na sa mga resibo kapag kulang na naman.
Yeah, they didn't charge me. So, for sure wala siya. Wala silang stock.
Ano na ginabalik nila sila?
And no, they only charge you pag nakapack na. Yung kagabi, yung nasa total ko is $153. Pero ngayon, yung charge lang nila is $131 kasi some of the items wala nga. Yeah. Hindi ko din to ginagamit, guys. Ang liit kasi. Tinatapon ko to. Ang dami-dami ko ng paper bags. Nung naglinis ako ng pantry, pakita ko sa inyo maya-maya. Dami kong tinapon na mga bags. Kasi hindi ko kailangan. I'm gonna make spring roll. So, I put the meat there already. Tulog na si Kai. Sana mahaba yung tulog niya.
Kama na pressure cooker.
Yeah, it's in the car pa. Bago pa napago. Andito na yung pinsan ni guys. Ano oras na ba? 4? May meeting kasi sila today, so early yung labas nila. Meron pala silang binigay na ganito, oh. Peel and Win. Yung coast.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty like you want some love, but like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.